Okay, so I got a parts pump here. I'm going to show you how to change out your governor spring inside. A few things you'll need: 8mm Allen, a 5mm Allen, 13 wrench, a pick, and a flat blade screwdriver. So first thing you want to do is break this 13mm over and remove your fuel screw. Now you're going to want to count how many revolutions it takes to pull this thing out, so whenever you put it back together, you can put it in the same amount that you took it out. That way you don't overfuel or underfuel. Next, use your 8mm, break this guy loose. And grab your pick, pull that spring down. Next up, 5mm. Pull off the 4 bolts holding the top half on. It's real handy to have one of these ball end ones. That way you can adjust the angle that you're pulling them out from. Sometimes on this side, your idle screw will be right here. You might have to push that in or out depending on what your setup's set at. This one doesn't have one in it, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull this out. Okay, so now your top half is unbolted from your bottom half. What you're going to need to do, pull this top off as you push down on this. Sometimes it's a little tight, so you might need to tap it with your wrench or whatever you got. This one's a little bit snug. So now if you can see that, you got your spring there, this shaft, and then if you look at the back, there's a little piece with an eyelet in there that connects to the spring, a little dished washer, and a smaller spring on this side. So first, put some tension on this setup here by pulling your spring forward. Take this shaft off, set that to the side. Then as you pull on your spring, push on the back of this to keep it in place, and you pop off your governor spring. Now you'll replace it with your new governor spring. Put your shaft back on. Nope, wrong side. Then you put your top half back on. Push this guy through. This O-ring's pretty tight on this one. There we go. Slap that guy on. Put your 4 5mm Allens back in. And now the important part. You have a line on the top of your shaft here. Well, I guess we got to put this on first. Slap that thing down there. These guys around. Okay, now to the important part. If you can see on this, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little marks on the top of this. You want the line on this to be second from the right. So not this one, but the next one. I don't know if you guys can see this on the video or not, but there's 5 lines, go to the second from the right. So you line that guy up with the teeth. And one thing, if this shaft doesn't seem like it's far up enough, you can thread the top part on there and then pull up a little bit and it'll click into place. But right now, if it'll focus, you should be able to see that we're lined up on the second from the right over here. That's where you want it. So after all that, throw this guy, well, spacer, washer, this guy, and thread this guy down with your 8mm. And then if you have a pick like this, focus, pick like that, you can reach up under this assembly, grab that spring, it didn't move on me. Yeah, grab that spring, pull down and over, back to there. And then after that, you go look at how many revolutions it took to take your fuel screw out, and then you count as you put it back in. I'm not too worried about this pump as it's a parts pump, so it ain't no big deal to me, but you'll want to remember that. And then take your 13, lock her back down. Don't forget to bleed your injectors, just crack them at the injectors themselves, crank it over until it starts squirting fuel out of it, out of the lines, and then tighten them down one by one. You should be good to go.